Now it's been a while since we've flown the DJI Neo. Let's fly it at the beach, let's fly it over the water, and let's see what happens. So we're sitting with 0 satellites. This happens a lot with the old DJI Neo, or my version of the DJI Neo. It seems to take a very long time to get satellites, and when it does, it gets very few. But let's take off in manual, which will fix that. In terms of we don't need the satellites. Unless I need to return to home, so I need to be a little bit careful. Okay, so there's a little bit of wind today, but not too bad. You can see it's quite overcast in Perth. I'm not going to take it too far out, be sensible-ish. Oh, that's not what we want. So it's taking me out. Gimbal motor overloaded. Yeah, this is not what we want. I need manual back. Hate it when it does that. It just knocks you out. Let's bring it back. Okay, so again, it doesn't like me flying very far away. I don't know if that's because of the satellites. I'll try and play with the settings. I'm not sure what that is. So I'll just keep it closer. Try some loops. So just give it a little bit more time so you don't get the prop wash. Okay, so we got rolls. Power loop-ish. And the seagulls. See, no, this isn't the best drone for manual flying, but considering how much I've smashed this about, it still does okay. Yes, you have to be super careful with how you fly, not too aggressive. But look at the flight time I'm getting, 7 minutes, 20 seconds. I know I'm not flying it really hard, but in terms of just exploring, having fun, it has good picture quality, good range, and relatively cheap now as well. Saying that, looks like I was getting some gimbal issues then. So it's still a nice little drone, especially if you can pick one up cheap secondhand now, because with the DJI Neo 2 out, I'm sure there'll be a few secondhand, and it is one of those things that people buy and then don't really use. Okay, so we're getting a low battery now at 28%. With that fewer satellites, I definitely don't want to be using the return to home. So it's good to be back flying. I will be buying something new soon. Thinking something like a Pavo. My friend's just got a Pavo, the new one. Very keen to have something that sort of size, or 2.5, 3 inch. Not really sure which direction to go in. So many options. If you have any advice, let me know. Let's see if we can land this without making it sandy. Oh, we got, see, how many satellites we got? We went to 10 for a second there. Okay, not too bad. We got a bit sandy, but she'll be okay.